Welcome back to HearUpUSA. In today's video, we are doing a direct brand comparison between two major hearing aid styles from Signia, the behind the ear, or BTE, and the receiver in canal, known as RIC. Let's unbox these packages.
Let's slide open the trays and look at their charging cases. First, opening the right case, we see the Signia BTE model. Next, opening the left case reveals the sleek Signia RIC model. Now, let's look at both devices side by side and break down their key differences point by point. For BTE hearing aids, point 1. They are ideal for severe to profound hearing loss, offering maximum power and amplification. Point 2. All electronic components sit safely behind the ear, making them highly durable against earwax and moisture. Point 3. They easily accommodate larger, longer-lasting rechargeable batteries. Point 4. They work perfectly with custom ear molds for a highly secure, custom fit. For RIC hearing aids, point 1. They offer an ultra-discreet look thanks to the microscopic, barely visible receiver wire. Point 2. The speaker sits inside the canal, providing a more natural sound with less plugged ear sensation. Point 3. They are perfect for mild to moderate high-frequency hearing loss. Point 4. They are incredibly lightweight, making them comfortable for all-day wear. As we take a closer look, you can see how Signia has engineered both devices to prioritize comfort and high-fidelity sound clarity. Finally, let's pull out the included drying kits from underneath the packaging, which are essential maintenance accessories to keep your Signia